Hello students, welcome to our channel Success Achievers. Today we are going to solve one question from NEET 2026. Given that in a meter bridge experiment, see the figure, the positions of the cell E and the galvanometer G are interchanged. We shall observe in the galvanometer only the right-sided deflection, only the left-sided deflection. There will be no deflection irrespective of the positions of the jockey, both right-sided and left-sided deflections, and at balance point no deflections. So what we get actually, suppose this is you are having resistance R1, here you are having another resistance R2. This works on the principle of Wheatstone bridge. Here another resistance we can take R3, for example, R4. Now what will happen? Generally what we observe is we keep the cell here and we keep the galvanometer in this position, correct? Or you can say cell we keep here and galvanometer we keep here. Now we have interchanged the positions. So let us consider here there are four resistors R1, R2, R3 and R4. We can understand it from here. This is R1, R2, R3 and R4. So this portion is the resistance of this rod or meter bridge wire. Resistance is R3. This portion resistance is R4. Then what we can say, if we apply potential across these two ends, then you will observe R1 by R2 is equal to R3 by R4, then no current will flow through here. Okay, so here the galvanometer position will be there. Now reverse the situation. If we apply battery here and we put the galvanometer here, then the situation will be just opposite. It will just reverse the situation. Now this is the one branch, this is another branch. Okay, so the whole scenario will be same only. So we can see in this case the resistances are remain same, R1, R2, R3 and R4. Once we are placing battery here and galvanometer in this location, that is, let us consider this situation. We are placing the cell between R1 and R3 here and here, and the galvanometer is between R1, R2 junction and R3, R4 junction. Here the galvanometer is. In the other scenario, if we observe here, the cell is placed between R1, R2 junction and R3, R4 junction. So between this we are placing the cell. So this is R1, R2 junction, R3, R4 junction. Here the cell is placed and the galvanometer is between R1, R3 and R2, R4 junctions. So you can see still here, if you observe the ratio, if you see the deflection point, you will get still both are same Wheatstone bridge only. R1 by R2 is equal to R3 by R4 for no deflection. And here if you observe right hand side, you will get R3 by R1 is equal to R4 by R2. Now if you just rearrange them, you will get R3 by R4 is equal to R1 by R2. Both are same only. So that means, so both side you will get deflection. If you slide the jockey in left or right, both side you will get the deflection, and at the particular point you will get the balance point. At the balance point there will be no deflection in the galvanometer. So we can say the option will be fourth one correct. So thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.